In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the greatest common factor, also known as the GCF, of a quadratic expression. So GCF means that we are looking for the largest value that can divide evenly into all of the terms. So we're going to start with 18, negative 36, and negative 45. To do this on Desmos, you're going to type in GCF and then list the three values separated by commas. We can see that the GCF is 9. I would also encourage you to check for repeated variables, but in quadratics, if you have three terms, then likely you will not have repeated variables. Let's look at another example. This time, we're looking for the largest value that divides evenly into 24, 16, and 32. We're going to start by typing GCF and then listing those values separated by commas. Here the GCF is 8. Last example. Find the GCF of 2x squared minus 14x plus 8. GCF, list the values, and we can see that the GCF here is 2.